Well, Mary, I was here a week ago, and I can tell you that this encampment is significantly larger. However, it has been relatively calm, although with some exceptions. And it does appear that the University of Washington is saying they will not change any policy to placate these protesters. It is a place where ideas are often debated and graded. But now, one group has sealed its position and says it has no wiggle room.
Yeah, I think more students are feeling comfortable to come out and learn and fight for a free Palestine and have our demands met.
UW grad student Sarah Hassana is among the people who have put up tents in what some here are calling a liberation zone in the middle of the quad in a heavily foot-trafficked area where some campers are telling reporters to not show their face.
Let them know you've already checked in with us.
Wear a piece of tape to walk through the public space turned protest zone.
We want the University of Washington to cut ties academically and materially with Israel. We want UW to divest from Boeing.
But UW, which has several buildings with a Boeing name, is saying no to that request. KOMO News spotted University President Anamari Kase, who told us off camera she's met with a couple of the protesters, but is not changing course. Later issuing a statement through a spokesperson, reading in part, the university will not end its relationship with Boeing, which is a strong supporter of student success and innovation. Doing so would result in millions of dollars in cuts to student scholarships, programs, and facilities, and paradoxically, from activist perspective, return that money to the coffers of the company they oppose, adding that the protesters should take up their concerns with the U.S. government. How do you react to that?
We're ready and willing to stay here until our demands are met, and we stand firm in that.
A camp that continues to violate state administrative code and has already left a mark. The big difference here from what we have seen in other campuses across the country is that students and observers are continuing to walk through the quad. Nobody is being any sort of obstruction or blocking the pathway for any of those students or observers. And at this point, no one has attempted to take the protest inside. That's the story for now. Live in the quad at the University of Washington, I'm Chris Daniels, KOMO News.